Hello everyone, welcome to TryNoCode. In today's session, we'll learn how to send data from a repeating group to a pop-up. It's going to be extremely simple. We'll just be displaying the data from a repeating group and displaying it on the pop-up. So first thing that we need obviously is a repeating group. Over here, I'll select a repeating group and choose the type of content as user. In the data source, I'll just search for all the users. I will not put any constraint or any sort by for now. Now I'll go ahead and put in the fields that I need for the display in the repeating group. I'll choose the text type and I'll write here name. I will insert the dynamic data and choose current cell's username. I also have another field as last name, so I'll put it in this itself. Now I'll make another field as email. Over here, I want to display the email that the user has entered. I'll change the style a little bit so that it highlights the name of the user while at the same time displaying other details about them. The next thing that I want to display is the contact number or mobile number of that particular user. Obviously, if you want, you can display lesser amount of informations in the repeating group and you can have the pop-up to show detailed information of that particular user or for whatever particular data type you are using. For this particular scenario, we already had all the fields for our data type ready in our database. For user, I had all the fields that I wanted made. Now I'll just group all these texts so that they are properly in order and it becomes easier for me to have a proper workflow. I'm rearranging a couple of them so that there is no overlap between any other text. Now I'll make the pop-up according to the size of our group inside. Now I'll center this particular group horizontally as well as vertically within the repeating group. And do the same for the repeating group itself. The next thing that we need is a pop-up. Our repeating group is ready and we are going to make the pop-up in which we display all of this data. I'll select the element pop-up and the next thing that I'm going to do is choose the type of content. When we are sending the data from the repeating group to a pop-up, the type of content within the repeating group as well as the pop-up should be same, or at least it should be what data type you are sending. So let us suppose if from the repeating group I am sending the data as a text, then a pop-up should be of the text type. I have copied the entire group from my repeating group to the pop-up. On the top, I'm going to display the user's name as well. Instead of current user, we had to write parent group's user since we'll be showing the username which is taken from the repeating group. Now, what is left is the workflow. As soon as someone clicks on the group user, I want them to show the pop-up. So I'll select show an element. I'll select the element as pop-up user. Now the next thing I want to do is display data in the pop-up. This will send directly current sales user to the pop-up. Now we can test how it looks through the preview session. As soon as I click on Amit, I have Amit's detail. Similar for the Aisha. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please do like and share with your friends. Also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.